guys, today I will show you how to conduct a vehicle inspection Class B. First things, I will start in-cab inspection. Now I'm going to show you in-cab inspection, include the brake test. So now I'm going to start the truck, put the key ignition on, ABS lights and DEF lights.
ABS light and DEF light is on and off.
ABS lights and DEF lights is off. My vehicle is neutral, brakes is set. I'm start the truck. So now I'm going to do air brake test. The air brake test, I have 4 steps. Step number 1 is governor check. The governor kick in 90 psi and kick out 125 psi. So now I'm going to drop the air to 90 psi. So governor kick in and apply the gas 125 psi. The governor kick out. So I'm going to hear the hissing sound. Okay, here the hissing sound was the test. So now I'm going to do step number 2 is leaking test. So now I'm going to turn off the truck. Back to electric mode. Step on the service brake and release the parking brake. So now I'm going to hold the brake for 1 minute. I should not lose more than 3 psi. So you can ask your examiner to time in, or you can time yourself. I'm going to time myself. Okay, minute is done. Was a good test. I did not lose more than 3 psi. So step number 3 is alarm test. So I'm going to drop the air to 60 psi. The warning alarm and lights should come on. Alarm and lights is on. Was a good test. So now I'm going to do step number 4 is a button test. Between 20 and 45 psi, that the parking brake should engage or pop out. The brakes just pop out. Was a good test. So now I'm going to start the truck. I'm going to apply the gas between 10 and 15 RPM. I'm going to build the both air tanks back to 125 psi, and I will continue with the parking brake test and service brake test. Okay, that air tank is full, so now I'm going to continue with the parking brake test. I'm going to put vehicle drive, that the brakes is set. I'm trying to move. The vehicle should not move. Okay, was a good test. I'm going to release the parking brake. Vehicle is still drive. Now I'm going to do service brake test. I'm going to drive 10 to 15 feet, 5 miles per hour. The wheels should not go left and right. The vehicle is stopped. Vehicle neutral. Set the parking brake. The wheels did not go left and right. Was a good test. So now I'm going to do rest of in-cab inspection. So now I will start with the 3 safety equipment. On the left side of my seat I have fire extinguisher.
Extinguisher, no broken, no crack, secure, fully charged, ready to use. Pin is in and secure to the floor.
3 emergency triangles is behind of my seat.
3 emergency triangles, no broken, no crack, secure, is secure to the floor.
Fuses in a fuse box, no broken, no crack, secure. Both mirrors left and right, no broken, no crack, secure. Both is adjusted to my view. Windshield, no broken, no crack, secure. No illegal sticker blocking my view. So now I'm going to do checking the lights, indicators. Left signal is working. Right signal is working. Four-way flasher or emergency lights is working. On the left side is low beams is working. High beams is working. Now I'm going to do checking windshield wipers. The windshield wipers is no broken, no cracked, secure. And the windshield washer is working. It spray my windshield. Now I'm going to check city horn is working and check the air horn is working. Now I'm going to do check that the defrost and floor heat. The defrost is working and the floor heat is working. So now I'm done in cab inspection. I will ask the examiner to step outside and do lights operation check. Now I'm going to do lights operation check. I will turn off the truck, back to electric mode. The examiner should be outside in the front of the vehicle and check the light. I'm going to open the window so he can hear me. Now I'm checking in the front first. Left signal, right signal, four-way flasher. On the left side I have
Headlights and clearance lights. High beams.
left signal, right signal, four-way flasher, headlights and clearance light top, high beam.
Now I'm going to ask the examiner to step on the left side of the vehicle. Left signal, forward flasher, on the left side. Marker lights and clearance lights.
Left turn signal, four-way flasher, marker lights and clearance lights.
Now I'm asking the examiner to step in the rear of the vehicle, checking left turn signal, right turn signal, forward flasher. On the left side I have tail lights and clearance lights. Step on service brake is the brake lights.
Left turn signal, right turn signal, four-way flasher, tail lights and clearance lights, brake lights.
Now I'm asking the examiner to step on the right side of the vehicle, checking right turn signal, forward flasher, on the left side. Marker lights and clearance lights.
Right turn signal, four-way flasher, marker lights and clearance lights on top. Now I am done with the lights operation check. I will step outside and do outside inspection. When you exit the vehicle, you should do 3 points contact at all the times. First things, I will start in front of the vehicle from top to the bottom. So I am checking a clearance light top, no broken, no crack, secure, is amber color. Checking the headlights both sides, no broken, no crack, secure, clean and clear. The function is low beams, high beams, turning signal, and four-way flasher. Checking under the vehicle, no leaking or hanging any wire. So now I'm going to open the hood and continue on the passenger side, unique side. Passenger side, unique side, I will check all hoses and lines, no broken, no cracked, secure, no air or fluid leaks. The battery and battery box, no broken, no cracked, secure, all the cables is connected to the battery and no leaking or corrosion. Now I will check on the driver side of the vehicle. Driver side of the vehicle, I will start from top to the bottom, checking all hoses and lines, no broken, no cracked, secure, no air or fluid leaks. Cooler reservoir, no broken, no cracked, secure, the proper level with cooler, cap has to be tight and no leaking. Checking the dipstick. Dipstick, no broken, no cracked, secure, no leaking around. If you want to check, you can pull it out, wipe it, pull back in, pull it out again, has to be between min and max. Pull back in again. Power steering reservoir, no broken, no cracked, secure. The proper level, cap has to be tight and no leaking. Power steering hoses, no broken, no cracked, secure. No oil leaks. Gearbox, no broken, no cracked, secure. No oil leaks. Three-piece steering linkage, no broken, no cracked, secure. Is holding by cutter key, nuts and bolts. Now I'm checking that the suspension system, lift spring mount on front and rear, no broken, no cracked, secure. Lift spring, no broken, no cracked, secure. U-bolts, no broken, no cracked, secure. It's connect to lift spring. Shocks absorber, no broken, no cracked, secure. No leaks. Now I'm checking the brake system. The brake hoses, no broken, no cracked, secure. No leaking. Now I will checking the brake drum and brake pads or brake shoes, no broken, no cracked, secure, no contaminant between. Tire, inside wall on top and outside wall, no broken, no cracked, secure, no cut, bubbles, and no ripped. Tire tread depth 432, checking with tire tread depth gauge. Rims, no broken, no cracked, secure, no illegal welding. 10 lug nuts, no broken, no cracked, secure, no one is missing, and no rust indicator is loose. Valve stem, no broken, no cracked, secure, no leaking air. If you want to check with tire pressure gauge, has to be 105 psi. Now I'm going to close the hood and continue on the side of the vehicle. On the side of the vehicle, checking marker lights, no broken, no cracked, secure, is amber color. Mirrors bracket and mirrors lenses, no broken, no cracked, secure. The mirrors lenses has to be clean. Fuel tank, no broken, no cracked, secure. Cap has to be tight, no leaking from a cap, no leaking from a bottom. I'm checking the frame. Frame, no broken, no cracked, secure, no illegal welding. Checking clearance lights on top, no broken, no cracked, secure, is amber color. On the bottom is a reflector lights, no broken, no cracked, secure, is amber color in the front, and the back is a red color. Now I will check on the back of the vehicle. I'm checking lights in the rear of the vehicle, start from top to the bottom. Clearance lights on top, no broken, no cracked, secure, is amber color. Two red lights on top, and two on the bottom, no broken, no cracked, secure. Function, brake lights and tail lights. Two amber lights on the bottom, no broken, no cracked, secure. Function, turning signal, a four-way flasher. Two white lights on the bottom is the reverse lights, no broken, no cracked, secure. And two reflector lights on the bottom, no broken, no cracked, secure, red color. DOT tape and DOT bumper, no broken, no cracked, secure, is 100% with DOT tape. Now I am done inspection on Class B. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.